It doesn't matter who you are or where you're at in life. You click on this video because you're grinding, pushing, trying to make it work. You want to be rich, very demure, very mindful, but no matter how hard you work, it feels like it's out of your reach. I've been on the same boat, asking myself why it looks so effortless for others, but I can't seem to catch a break. If you're experiencing this right now, I've got some good news for you. Those people you see winning, the ones living the life you want, they are not special. You have the same potential, the same ability to not just match them, but to outpace them. It's your turn to be a hit. It's your turn to be rich. I know it sounds crazy, maybe even too good to be true, but at the end of the day, your success hinges on the path you choose. You want to achieve greatness, riches, everyone simply tells you it's all about discipline.
99% of people that say stuff like that are not willing to do what it takes to make their dreams come true. The Marines have a saying, everybody wants to go to heaven, but nobody wants to die. And that's just real. At the center of bringing any dream into fruition is self-discipline.
But here's the issue. Our brains are wired to be lazy. Society tells us to be rich, we need to start a business, hustle non-stop, and clock in an 80-hour work week. They paint this picture of success where we have to sacrifice our social lives, miss out on precious moments, and drown ourselves in endless to-do lists. It's like we are supposed to believe that the secret to wealth lies in grinding ourselves down to the bone. But what if there's a way to get rich with less effort? What if you could become a millionaire without sacrificing your social life or your happiness? What if I told you all you need to do is set aside 5 minutes a month and you could outpace everyone and win big, all without ever having to work a single day? A recent survey revealed that Gen Z save an average of $6,441 a year, while millennials save $9,299, Gen Z save $5,132, and baby boomers save $4,060. On average, Americans save about $6,138 annually. Now, if you're 30 and aspiring to hit a $1 million mark by 60, based on the average annual savings amount, you will fall short by an eye-watering $815,860. It's no surprise why so many of us feel discouraged about achieving financial freedom. But here's the game changer. This strategy I'm about to reveal doesn't involve endless sacrifices or working crazy hours. The secret? Subscribe to this channel right now, where I share actionable tips weekly that helps you achieve financial freedom faster. Now, the secret is investing in the S&P 500 index. This powerful index is a reflection of the top 500 companies in America, and the best way to tap into its potential is through the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, ticker VOO. This powerhouse ETF is packed with some of the largest and most influential companies in the world, with heavyweights like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Alphabet, and Amazon leading the charge. VOO has also delivered an impressive annual return of 14.7% since inception, showcasing its strength as a reliable investment. Now, let's crunch the numbers. As calculated earlier, if you save $6,138 a year for 30 years, you will end up with $184,140. But if you break that amount into smaller monthly contributions, just $511, and spend 5 minutes each month investing in VOO, assuming a conservative 10% annual return, you could amass an astonishing $1,155,109 by age 60. That's right, by simply setting aside a manageable amount each month and investing in the S&P 500, you could outpace everyone and win big, all without the stress of constant hustle or painful sacrifices. Imagine the freedom of being able to retire early, enjoy life on your own terms, and pursue your passion without financial worries. So to wrap up, just remember, you don't have to grind endlessly to outpace others or to win big. It's all about making smart, simple choices that can lead to incredible outcomes. If you found this video helpful, all I ask is give it a thumbs up, smash the like button, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.